When I found out I was autistic, it was like everything made sense and nothing made sense all at the same time. My youngest had a few global developmental delays when she was a baby, and so we had to kind of teach her to crawl and roll and all that type of stuff. And when she was about a year old, somebody was like, maybe we should get her checked out for some sensory issues. So she was diagnosed autistic at 18 months. So from there, the journey was to understand how can we help support her. And from the discussions with all the various people, I suddenly saw a lot of myself in how she interacted with the world, and sort of looked back and realised, oh, maybe there's something there. So I actually went and sought out a diagnosis, and straight away the lady was like, yep, I don't even need to go through the rest of it. I can tell just by the way you're talking, your behaviour and experiences you've shared that definitely you're neurodiverse. I thought it was just because I didn't fit, there was something wrong with me, but actually I do fit, I just fit in a different way. And so my passion is actually advocating for people who have neurodiversity or sensory differences, and that's okay. It's okay to have that, slightly different way of interacting or understanding, and actually it can be something quite beautiful. So I now celebrate that I am, and I love telling people. For homeschooling, the beauty of it for us is we can journey along together, we can support, but we can also go with the likes and the passions and the strengths, and we can shape everything around that. We do lots of things like we'll do dance parties, or we'll do dress ups, or we'll do just kind of like, hey, we don't need to take life too seriously. I mean, it's actually scientifically proven that joy, laughter, happiness actually opens up your brain for learned experiences. So if you hate something, you're not going to learn it. You're actually going to, push back. So if we want to create an environment where we're learning, we have to be joyful, and we have to laugh, and we have to, have that fun.